Our standard bowl and tray bit is great for routing out a shallow tray up to 7/8 inch deep. But if you want a deeper tray, your go-to option has been a collet extension. Collet extensions help, but are wider than the bearing on the bit, so you still can't get to a truly deeper depth. Infinity is proud to introduce our new deep reach bowl and tray making bit. Start by milling your tray as usual using our standard 51501B bit. Once you reach that depth limit, again about 7/8 of an inch, you'll swap for the deep reach variant. You'll be able to continue hollowing out your shape and achieve a recess up to about 1.5 inches deep. This bit is great for deeper candy bowls and holiday trays and pairs well with our circle cutting templates and brass template guide kit. Add our deep reach bowl and tray bit to your shop today for those hard to reach areas. And remember to like and subscribe to see more from us.